Being an Australian-owned and run manufacturer has always given MASPRO an advantage over global players in terms of innovation, speed, and quality control. However, the global pandemic has accelerated its commitment to using technology to guarantee quality, on-time delivery, and minimize downtime in any conditions. This year, we accelerated our digital transformation, implementing our enterprise resource planning platform, ERP, to consolidate headquarters in Condobolin with all our warehouses across Australia and manage our customers and suppliers globally. The good news is that we are building another facility to increase our supply too. On top of a clear view of our internal sales data and global supply processes, we are layering this with customer usage data so we can forecast trends and demand by location and stock our warehouses to match local demand. In this way, we share responsibility of ensuring we have the quality parts on hand and become a business partner more than a part supplier. No matter how smoothly oiled the supply chain is, mining is unpredictable, so we must be ready to react. Quality is our mantra at MASPRO. And from here, we plan to collaborate even more closely with customers to integrate their usage data and business information to enhance forecasting and inventory management.